Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll share with you how to use Claude AI to generate content, brainstorm ideas, and also automate tasks. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, whether you are a writer, a marketeer, or just curious about AI tools, Claude AI makes work easier and faster. First, you have to go to Claude AI and sign up for a free account. Claude AI is created by a company called Anthropic, and it works just like ChatGPT, but focuses on safer and more detailed responses. Now, once you are signed in, you will see a simple chat interface where you can start typing prompts. You can use Claude AI to write blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and even scripts for videos. Just type a prompt like write a 500-word blog on AI tools, and Claude will generate a detailed response instantly in seconds. If you need ideas for your business, content, or social media, Claude AI can also help you in those areas. All you have to do is give it a prompt like give me 10 YouTube video ideas about AI tools, and it will suggest creative topics in seconds. Claude AI can also summarize long documents like books or articles quickly. Just upload a file or copy and paste the text. For example, you can say, summarize this 10-page report in three key points, and Claude will break it down for you. You can also use Claude AI for productivity, such as drafting emails, writing social media captions, or even coding assistance if you are a coder or a web developer or you know web development. For instance, you can say something like this: write a polite follow-up email for a client meeting, and Claude will generate a professional response in seconds. Claude is powerful when it comes to context. It's even better than ChatGPT because it can handle longer context than ChatGPT, making it great for handling detailed projects and documents. And that's how you can use Claude AI to boost productivity, generate content, and also automate tasks. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Claude AI, drop them in the comments. I'll be very happy to respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.